Very good morning to you children. Here is Sumati, your social studies teacher, with today's new topic, that is minerals and mining. And previously you have written the test. Many of them are absent. Don't be irregular. Be punctual. And every day you watch the videos and do the given assignments. Okay children, I hope you will do that. Now topics, whatever it is covered in this lesson, are minerals in our houses, renewable, non-renewable resources, mineral resources of Andhra Pradesh, mining the minerals, to whom do the minerals belong, Singareni coal fields, danger and safety measures, inside the mine, blasting the coal, transporting coal, welfare, safety and health checkups, new trends in mining industry and miners, Mangampeta barrages, open pit mines, these are to be covered, but today only few topics are covered in this lesson. Minerals in our houses. Actually, in our daily life, not only in the house, even the school also, every day whatever we are utilizing the minerals, those are our surroundings only, those minerals are there. So you have to know that, you have to identify. Suppose you see that in your house all the walls, those are made of bricks or cement, sand, pebbles, these are all. So those are all one of the minerals only. Cement also mixture of limestone, these are some other two minerals. So these are all including cement, of course. So those are also minerals only. For example, in your house you have whitewash, that means painting. Those also white lime, that is one of the minerals. Your floor also paved with kadapa stones or nowadays marbles. So pillars also, even tiles also, whatever the rafters may be made of granite stone, these are all minerals only. And most of these are really minerals we get from the earth. Means on the earth surface or inside the earth we are getting these minerals, and whatever it is available on the earth surface, these are all called minerals. Mud, sand, lime, kadapa stones, granites and those all. Even you will find many objects made of metals like iron, copper, lead, chrome, aluminium, etc. and even gold, silver, whatever it is, this also comes under the minerals. You may be wearing ornaments made of silver or gold, and even these are metals which have been separated or extracted from natural ores. Some of the minerals directly we can utilize, but some of the minerals we extract or separate from some of the ores. That means iron directly we cannot get it from the soil, that we extract, separate that soil and iron ore. Even copper also on the river banks, that sand and copper we separate. So like that some of the minerals we have to extract it. And we use the fuels, petrol, diesel, kerosene, these are also extracted from the mineral oils, and these are called crude oil or crude petroleum. From the crude petroleum only we will get the petrol, diesel, kerosene, all this. Even whatever we are using the gas, that gas also one of the mineral. Even coal also mineral only. In fact, the groundwater which we are using, actually from the wells or the tube wells, even in that also contains more minerals. In 7th standard we have studied that some of the minerals are more, because of that rickets and those bones are affecting, that we studied already. In other words, almost anything which we obtain naturally from under the earth, actually whatever we are getting under the earth, it is considered as a mineral, but which is not in the form of plants and animals. Plants or animals or human beings is all won't be considered as the minerals. Rest of all considers as the minerals. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Environmentalists differentiated two kinds of resources, that is renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources means which once if we utilize also, again and again we can utilize. That means those are regenerated. Those are called renewable resources. For example, wood, these are all regenerated. But non-renewable means if once we utilize, it will take time to regenerate. Otherwise, it may not be available after in future time or for future generations. So those are called non-renewable resources. Actually, renewable resources are called infinite and non-renewable resources are called finite resources. But most of the minerals are non-renewable resources. If we continue using them, we will reach a stage when we will not have any more of that. For example, gold, coal. These are all, suppose we are digging and digging and digging, we are getting, then automatically that may become end. Those resources will not be available for future generations. It occurs in very limited quantities. So these all, whatever it is non-renewable, those are all, we will get it in a limited quantities in the deep mines. Means deeper and deeper if we dig, we get it. Similarly, coal or petroleum, those are also non-renewable only. There is only a limited amount of these available on the earth. If we finish them, then there will be not be any more of it. If once it's finished, next we won't get it. Maybe future generations don't know about that mineral only. So these are called non-renewable sources of energy. Now, some important minerals and their uses. You should know that some of the minerals that is mentioned in our book, we should know in our daily life which we are utilizing. As per that, you should know that how it's useful. So, nowadays, many of those minerals which are available like iron ore, sand, petroleum and these are all. Nowadays, these are utilized for modern industries for many purposes. So, these minerals have become very important in our lives and those are mentioned here. You see, bauxite. Aluminium is extracted from the bauxite ore. Aluminium, you know, like a silver color metal which is from bauxite ore only. Aluminium has become very important mineral in our times because of its lightweight. Mostly it is lightweight, that's why most of us are interested to utilize. And it is used in making aircraft utensils, electronic wires, and also extensively in packaging of food products. Okay, food parcels you will get now, silver foils and those almost in those parcels also. Asbestos, you know that for houses, roofs will make it now, advertisers will get it. It is a heat resistance mineral which is used extensively in industry and also for household roofing. For roofs, asbestos, cement roofs, they'll advertise it. However, it is known to be very bad for health of these working on them, and its use is now being banned all over the world. It is totally creating a health problems it's creating. Because of that reason, nowadays it's banned throughout the world, but still some of the areas maybe they are utilizing, as I have seen recently. Now, barytes. This is a group of ores from which an element called barium is extracted from the barytes, and barium is used for industrial and medical purposes. And barytes is also used in drilling deep holes for petroleum and natural gas. While digging the petroleum and natural gas, this is used to make the deep holes. Mica, plastic we are using now, that is actually mica only. It is a shiny mineral and is used extensively in electrical and electronic industry. It has many properties which make it useful, and it comes in thin layers and is a non-conductor of electricity and heat. Actually, wires we are covering with the plastic cover, no, that totally that we should not get any problem, non-conductor. So for that purpose they are utilizing the chrome. It is used for preparing stainless steel. We say that now stainless steel items, it won't spoil, it won't be rust and those. Such a stainless steel utensils, to make it, chrome is utilized. Since it does not corrode. Then that means unlike iron or copper, it won't be change the color or rust, nothing will be there. That's why it is called corrode item. And it is used both for cooking food and also for storing the industrial liquids like acids. Feldspar. It is one of the raw materials used in making of glass and ceramic ware like wash basins, and these all which we are utilizing now, that is called the ceramic, that is made out of feldspar. Mineral resources of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is very rich in mineral resources, and it is a large producer of the granites of various colors, kadapa stones, etc. used in buildings. Granite, kadapa stones, even not only that, limestone, dolomite, actually these are used for the cement industry. And northern districts have large coal deposits. For example, Kottagudem in Godavari Valley, Godavari districts are there now. In those areas, we can get the coal deposits. While the Krishna Godavari basin, it is also called KZ basin, we have potential for mineral oil and gas, that is petroleum, and those we are getting now. Actually, it is under the control of Reliance company now. Okay. At the time of Chandrababu Naidu, when he is the chief minister, it was found. So that mineral oil and gas is produced in the Krishna Godavari basin. Means we have so many minerals in Andhra Pradesh. And AP is historically known for its famous diamond mines. We have diamond mines also, and some of the largest diamonds in the world were found here. For example, Kohinoor diamond also we found first discovered at Kolluru of Guntur district. Even diamond mines are there in Kolluru of Guntur district and Vajrakarur of Anantapur district. So Kohinoor diamond first discovered at Kolluru of Guntur district. Actually, this is a sedimentary rock, and after changing into metamorphic, it becomes as a diamond. So that we may mostly get it on the river valleys. In addition to these, we have large deposits of asbestos, barytes, mica, feldspar, vermiculite. These are all, and more than those, we get that so many minerals in our Andhra Pradesh. This is, you see that all the districts, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, these all districts we have now. So many minerals. In which district, what is the mineral it is available, it is mentioned. And for example, in Andhra Pradesh, of course, adjoining to Karnataka, we have Kolar mines. Actually, largest mine is there in the Kolar only in India. That is gold mines. Now, actually, it is closed. But it is adjoining to Kurnool and Anantapur districts in these areas. And in India, it is the largest gold mine. Okay. So, like that, so many other minerals, the colors were indicated here, you see them. So, as per that, these minerals in each state, it is available. Okay. Now, assignment. This is the time for assignment, Nana. Actually, how to do this assignment. If you listen the lesson, you can do it very easily. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.